Hi everyone, today we are going to make an altcoin using the sculptor OK and manufacture it directly in the CNC machine. Let's click Start with Free Try button to go to the generation page. Next, there are only 3 steps to start drawing. Step 1. Upload the image of the coin here. Step 2. Choose the color image here. Step 3. Click Draw button. After generation, we select the one with the better quality and preview its 3D performance. We will use this 3D model and its depth map to manufacture it in CNC machine. Next, we need a copper coin. Then, import the depth map downloaded from Sculptor OK into the CNC machine for laser engraving. This is what it looks like after the CNC machine engraving. And we still need to polish the coin. After polishing it, it looks very nice already. This time, we want to get a vintage style coin. So we put some oxidizer and brush it. In all, a pretty copper coin are finished in 1 hour. Thank you for watching. Subscribe me and we will share more videos of art product making.